very good morning to all of you children. In our previous class, I have explained you the format of message writing, and today we will practice a message. Okay? Before that, let's revise the format of message writing. Okay class? Let's revise it. So class, in our last video, I have explained you that at the top in center we write message in capital letters. Okay? We write message at the top and center in capital letters, and one most important thing, whenever we write message, we put it inside box. Clear? Now, when we are done with message, after that we write date and time. Date is the time or the day when we are writing the message. Suppose I am writing a message to Alpana, I will write down the date of 5th December. Okay? And if I am writing the message at 11 a.m., I will write it down like 11 a.m. Okay? 11 a.m. Okay? And this is first thing after writing message in capital letters, we will write date and time of writing the message. The time when we write the message, the date on which we wrote the message. After that, we will do salutation. Salutation. Okay? What we do in salutation, we write dear or to whom we are writing the message. Suppose I am writing the message for Vanshika, I will write dear Vanshika. Okay? Salutation includes dear and then the name of the person to whom we are writing the message. After that, our message body. Message body is the information we want to give through this message. Suppose I want to give the message to Jatin Karki that tomorrow he has to bring all the notebooks in school for correction. The timing is from 8:30 to 10:30 and he has to meet Mr. Dev Bish in school. He has to submit all the notebooks to Dev sir. This is the information or the message which I want to leave for Jatin Karki. Okay? Now, after we are done with this, at the bottom left side, we will write the name of the writer. Suppose the message is being written by Gautam. We will write down just Gautam. Okay? Gautam Bish or whatever name or whatever person is writing the message. Okay? So class, this was the brief summary we did last day. Now I will explain message writing with an example. Is that clear, beta? We will start it with an example. Now till then, you can revise today's work, today's format. Okay? Okay class, now we will do a practice of message writing. See, I have written the question. I'll explain the question to you all. See, read the following telephonic conversation and then write a message for Raj. Okay, to whom we have to write the message? To Raj. So we will write the salutation like dear Raj. Okay, and who are the two people talking on phone? These are R-E-E-N-A Reena and S-H-E-K-H-A-R Shekhar. So the call, telephonic call is going on between Reena and Shekhar, and the message is to be left for Raj. Okay, let's start. Hello, I am Reena from Ranchi. Can I speak to Raj? I am his sister. So the caller who has called up is Reena and she has called to Shekhar to talk with Raj. She has called basically Raj, but Shekhar is on the other end. Shekhar is on the other line, right? She is saying, hi, I am Reena. I am Raj's sister. Can I talk to him? And then the other end, the person at the other end says, hello Reena. I am Shekhar. His friend Raj is out of town. Can I take his message? Now Shekhar said, I am Shekhar, Raj's friend. He has gone out of station. He has gone out of station and you can give the message for Raj to me. Now, Reena says, yes, Shekhar, I am coming to Hyderabad on 5th February. The first important piece of information is, I am coming. That means Reena is coming to Hyderabad on 5th February. Okay, on which date she is coming? She is coming on 5th February. Please ask him to pick me up from railway station. And the second other important information is to pick me up. Tell him to pick me up from railway station. I am coming to appear in an interview for the nurse at Max Hospital on 6th February. And Reena, is also telling the reason why she is coming to Hyderabad. She is coming to Hyderabad to appear in an interview for the post of nurse at Max Hospital, which is on next day, that is 6th of February. Okay. Now the important messages or the important information to be written on message are, Reena is coming to Hyderabad on 5th February for appearing for the post of nurse at Max Hospital on 6th February. Okay. Now, by which train you are coming? Then Shekhar asks Reena by which train she was coming, and she said, I am coming by Ranchi Express. Reena lives in Ranchi. We know that Reena from Ranchi. In the first line, very first line, she said, I am Reena from Ranchi. Okay, I am coming by Ranchi Express and it will reach station at 11 a.m. So class, this is also a very important message to be written in message writing. She is saying, I am coming by Ranchi Express and Ranchi Express will reach the railway station at 11 a.m. So after that, she is coming to appear for the post of nurse in the interview conducted by Max Hospital, and she is coming by Ranchi Express, which would reach the railway station at 11 a.m. Okay, and after that, Shekhar asked her, okay, I will leave a message for him. Him here is Raj, and he asked Reena, anything else? Beyond this, do you want to say anything else? Reena says, no, thank you, Shekhar, and she says goodbye and hangs up the phone. Okay, class? Now, the question is clear to you all. What we have to do now? We have to draft the message. We will write down the message for Raj. So, let's get started, class. I'm erasing these parts, right? Now, what you have to do, you have to write the message, right? Okay, class. See, as I have told you earlier as well, on the top, what we will write message in capital letters. We will write message in capital letters, and before that we will make a box. I have made it already. What you need to do is you have to make the box and then write message at the center on the top. Okay, after that what we would do, we would write date. Suppose it's, I got the call 5th February, Reena is coming, so I will put the date. Suppose I got the call on 3rd February 2020, right? And I am writing the message at 5:30 p.m. Okay, I'm writing the message at 5:30 p.m. Now I will write salutation. Dear Raj. Salutation. Then the message body. What message I want to convey, or what message Reena has given while she was talking with me on phone. Okay, so I'll write your sister Reena called up to inform you that she is coming Hyderabad on 5th December by Ranchi Express. Listen, beta, let's revise. Your sister Reena called up to inform you that she is coming Hyderabad on 5th December by Ranchi Express. You for appearing in the interview for the post of nurse, interview of nurse conducted by at Max Hospital. At Max Hospital on 6th February. Right? Now, let's revise it. Your sister Reena called up to inform you that she is coming Hyderabad on 5th December by Ranchi Express for appearing in the interview of nurse at Max Hospital on 6th February. Okay? She is coming. You have to pick her up. You have to pick her up from station. Her train. Her train would reach station at 11 a.m. Okay? So this is the important information which we have to convey to Raj through the message. Okay? The message is, your sister Reena called up to inform you that she is coming Hyderabad on 5th December by Ranchi Express for appearing or to appear in the interview as a nurse, interview of nurse at Max Hospital on 6th February. You have to pick her up from station. Her train would reach REACH, reach station at 11 a.m. Okay, this is the information. Now what we have to do, we have to write the name of the writer. Okay, this is my box. And here, who's the writer? Writer of the message is Shekhar. Okay, I will leave a message for him. Anything else? So, the writer is Shekhar. At the bottom left side, you will write the name of the message writer. Is that clear? Okay class, that's it for today. What you have to do at home, you have to go through the video, try to understand it and do the taught work in your grammar notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, we will discuss more messages We will practice more message writing in our upcoming sessions. That's it for today. Thank you and have a good day.